Time travel, a concept that has fascinated humanity for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the idea of moving through time, whether into the distant future or the distant past, has captivated our imagination. But could it ever be real? Could science turn fantasy into reality? In this video, we'll explore the theories, paradoxes, and real-world possibilities of time travel. Buckle up, because the journey through time begins now. Before we can talk about time travel, we must first understand time itself. What is time? Is it an absolute force, flowing like a river? Or is it something more flexible, something that can be bent, twisted, or even reversed? Understanding time, Isaac Newton believed time was absolute, ticking uniformly everywhere in the universe. Albert Einstein changed everything with his theory of relativity, proving that time is relative, meaning it moves differently depending on speed and gravity. Time is often described as the fourth dimension alongside length, width, and height. This bending of time is key to our discussion of time travel. But how do we actually manipulate time? If you want to travel forward in time, good news. We already know how to do it. In fact, time travel to the future isn't just possible. It's been proven. Time dilation, the twin paradox. Einstein's special relativity. Time slows down for objects moving close to the speed of light. The twin paradox. If one twin travels in a spaceship near light speed and returns, they will be younger than the twin who stayed on Earth. Real-world proof. Astronaut Scott Kelly spent a year in space, aging slightly less than his twin brother, Mark Kelly, on Earth. So, in theory, if we could travel close to the speed of light, we could fast forward through time. But what about going back, traveling back in time? If traveling to the future is scientifically proven, what about the past? Can we revisit historical events? Can we fix mistakes? Can we prevent disasters? Theories for traveling to the past. Wormholes. Einstein. Roads and bridges could connect different points in time, but would require exotic matter to stay open. Cosmic strings. Hypothetical defects in space. Time that might allow loops in time. Kip Thorne's time machine. A concept using wormholes and immense gravitational forces to create time loops. But even if we found a way to go back, time travel brings serious problems, paradoxes that could break reality itself. Time travel paradoxes. Time travel creates puzzles that challenge logic itself. Let's examine some of the most famous paradoxes. The grandfather paradox. If you go back in time and prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, how can you exist to travel back in time in the first place? The bootstrap paradox. If you take a book from the future, go back in time, and give it to its original author, who actually wrote the book, the butterfly effect. Tiny changes in the past could create massive, unpredictable consequences in the present. Scientists and philosophers debate whether paradoxes mean time travel to the past is impossible, or whether reality could somehow correct itself. While time travel remains a theoretical concept, scientists have conducted fascinating experiments that push the boundaries of our understanding. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC. Some theories suggest that high-energy particle collisions could create mini wormholes. Time crystals, a newly discovered state of matter that may hold secrets to manipulating time. Quantum entanglement. Could particles communicate instantaneously across time? We may not have time machines yet, but the science is evolving fast. Will we ever time travel? Given everything we've explored, will time travel ever be possible for humans? Yes, to the future. Proven by relativity. Maybe to the past. If wormholes or new physics can be harnessed. Challenges, energy requirements, paradoxes, and ethical concerns. As technology advances, who knows? Perhaps one day we'll open the first door to the past or leap centuries into the future. Time travel remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Whether fact or fiction, It continues to inspire humanity's curiosity about the universe. What do you think? Could time travel become reality? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing explorations into the unknown. Keep exploring, time traveling,